Hello, it's the 4th, meaning window number 4 is now open. Let's see what we've got for today. We've got a diamond painting kit in a nice, what would you call this? Protective zip bag. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. It's in a nice protective zip bag. There we are. Let's have a closer look, shall we? If I can get it out of the lovely protective zip bag. Oh, it's quite hard actually. I think it's because this means the opening isn't as wide as what it could be, so nice idea, but quite tricky. Oh gosh. Oh no. I can't get it out. And here we have our number 4 in a very annoying protective zip bag. I don't really want to squish the canvas to get it out, to be honest. Oh, managed it, right. Oh. Anyway, that was smoothly done, wasn't it? Let's continue. Let's see what we've got. Oh dear. Okay, so quite an unusual size this one, 35 by 45. We will do a measure, of course. And it is quite folded. There we are, and I'm sure it's because it's been squished into that bag. Never mind. It is, yeah, it's quite bad there. Have a look at the front and you can see the picture. Look, we've got some Disney friends today. Hi Mickey, hi Goofy, hi Donald. I love the fact that Donald's just peeking up at the bottom. Right, I think I'm going to have to try and fold this and just do a, being very careful, but we just need to see if I can flatten it a little bit. There we are. Okay. So I think this is the area where the worst of that fold is. I'm just going to see if it's actually creased. It's not creased, but it is a bad fold. It will definitely need to go under something heavy to try and flatten that out. And I'll have to be very careful because I'm going to have to try and stretch it flat so that I'm not folding it over on itself when it goes under. Well, I don't know if I'd put it under the bed actually. I think I'll put some heavy books on it first to try and rectify that. There is another bad one there. Which is just this edge here. Again, has quite a deep fold in it. Again, it's not affecting the sticky surface, it's just the canvas. Anyway, so this will need a little bit of careful prep. But it's a beautiful picture, isn't it? So fun. And the background, if you notice, isn't a solid colour. We've got 3s and 1s in the background. So when we look at the ledger on the side, we've got 26 colours, all different symbols. Oh dear. Not my favourite thing, as you know, where the numbers are put in the wrong place. So it looks like we've got, oh no, we've got a 7 there as well. Anyway, I'm trying not to moan too much. And we have got the DMC number down the side, which is nice. Okay, let's do a measure. Oh, where's my measuring tape gone? Here it is. Right. 35 across it should be. And it is 29.6. and it said 45 down. Which is 39.8. All right, but again, a nice clear picture, so the size doesn't really affect the quality of the definition of the picture. I think it's going to be ever so cute. There's the picture that they provide. And looking at the canvas, it is very, very clear. Yep, so we've got the dark print in the light areas and the white print in the dark areas, and I can't see anywhere that hasn't got that, so that's really nice, really easy to see. Let's have a look at the toolkit. I'm hoping there might be a multi-placer, but let's see, how much was this one? This was £4.99 from Amazon. So not a bad price at all. Of course, the prices might change since I've bought these. So Amazon sometimes has a habit of changing the prices. So mine was £4.99. Have a little search on Amazon and see if you can find it, if you'd like it. All right, so the toolkit is a basic kit with baggies. So green tray, pink wax, and a diamond pen. Ooh! But it has got a small multi-placer at the end. So that's nice. It is a little bit off-centre, that. Maybe it's supposed to be an angled, but really there isn't much angle there if it is supposed to be an angled head. Right, well, it is what it is. I think it is supposed to be an angled head, looking at that. There we are. I've not seen an end like this one before, with just a slight bend. Anyway, nice to have. Pop this back in here, and then we'll have a look at the diamonds. I think £4.99 is a good price, isn't it, for a Disney-related picture? How many colours did I say? 26. They are round diamonds, and as they don't have the DMC code on, I'll turn them over so we can see the colours a bit better. Trying to find number one. Where are we starting? This end. There we are. Okay. Number one is 310. Yeah. So we've got three. Oh, that's strange. We've got 3 packs of 310 with this sort of bag attached. Not seen that before either. Oh, these things do tickle me sometimes. Anyway, oh, that's quite good though, because that means I can tip these out and we can have a closer look at the 310s just to see the quality and the cleanness of them. So we'll come back to that. We've got a beautiful red colour, sort of an earthy orange, a deeper red, a mint green, ooh, a beautiful turquoise, a creamy colour, and another red. Then we have a cream, an orange, again more creams, a pale blue, a bright dark blue, a dark blue, dark green, sort of a dusky burgundy, a beautiful, what would you call that, browny orange? A bright blue. Don't quite know what to call that really. It's kind of a pale coral. Pale blue. A bright mid blue. Ooh, a beautiful greeny blue. Some different oranges and finishing with a brown. Lovely colours. Let's go back to these 310s. I'll get a tray. And we'll have a little bit of a closer look on this one. Okay, that's enough to get an idea. Okay, there we are. All right, so a nice sparkle to them. I can see already that one there has an issue, but not too bad at all. They are fairly uniform in size. There we are, they sit nicely together. There are some issues. I'm just going to get a diamond pen and point to some. So obviously that one. Then we've got like a nibble out of some of them here. And we've got an issue with that one there. So I think it would take a bit of sorting, but for £4.99, I don't think they're too bad. I will say they're fair drill quality, really. And once you place them on the canvas, some of these issues do disappear. So if they've got nibbles out, I probably wouldn't use that one. But if they've got slight nibbles out, like some of these here, I think I would probably still use it. Especially being rounds, because they're a little bit more forgiving than square. I think with square, you might notice it. So, not too bad at all. And I'll drop them all over the table. Pick those two up. There, I think that's a fair kit. And I think it'll be a fun one to do. And I've got now a different multi-placer end as well, so it's all good. Have a little look at the picture again before we finish. Oh, I know what I was going to check actually. Move my tape measure. I was going to check what the 3s and 1s were to see what the background would be. So 3, 4, 3, 6 and 1 says 310, but that can't be 1. Oh no. See, and this is what happens because 1 isn't 1. 1 is cross as 310, like his ear. Number 1, of course, is number 12. 745. And number 3 isn't 3. It is 3855, number 25. So I'm looking for number 25 and number 12. So number 12 are these two, and what was the other one? Number 25. So, and those two. So these are the colours for the background, which are actually brighter than I thought they would be. I think that's going to be absolutely lovely. You know, I was thinking it might be sort of a pale cream, a bit like this in the background. So, yeah, nice. But that just shows you, I've just highlighted the issues that I have with these symbols by confusing the two. Anyway, there we are. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you can join me tomorrow for window number 5. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.